If you have kids at home, you should learn this abalone sauce shrimp and tofu casserole. The rich sauce coats the tender tofu, making it nutritious and tasty. Cut the tofu into large chunks, add a spoonful of salt to boiling water, and blanch the tofu for a minute to remove oxalic acid and the bean smell. I share cooking tips with care every day. Please give this video a like to support and encourage me. Thank you very much. Next, pour the abalone sauce, prepared according to a 5-star hotel recipe, into the clay pot. Pour in half a small bowl of water, add a spoonful of salt, then put in the cooked tofu and peeled shrimp. Cover it and simmer for 8 minutes. This abalone sauce shrimp and tofu dish is nutritious, delicious, and pairs well with rice. Once you master it, your family will praise you as a star chef.